In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to use a Keurig cup without using a Keurig. In today's example, we're going to be looking at the Tim Hortons steeped tea. I'll tell you how I used to do this and how I started doing this after thinking about it a little bit more. So I used to cut the top here where it has the metal aluminum top, and when I cut this, you get access to the grounds. I would then take it into and put it into one of these tea bags where you can fill in the tea yourself. You can get them from the Dollarama; they're $2, and fill in the tea and then steep that in your cup. Well, I thought, well, when I open this thing up, there's already a steeping pouch in there. Why not just remove this plastic and dunk this into your cup? So that's what I did, and it worked out fairly well. Now, I've seen other people do this, and what they've done is they've basically cut around the edge here, which works, but the problem is that when you cut it, because there's not a lot of stability here, and it's pretty flimsy, you end up cutting the bag. So obviously, that's not the best way to do it. The way that I've been doing it is cutting the bottom circle here, because you have a lot more give, a lot more pressure that you can apply. So basically taking a knife, in this case I'm using an X-Acto knife, you could puncture the top. Once you puncture the top, you can basically slip your knife in between that little groove there and just slide it around. Obviously be careful, because it is a sharp object, so you want to make sure that you're not cutting your hand. Once you get to a point like that, you can just basically just rip it off. Once you've done that, you got this little piece here which you can recycle, but then you've exposed the tea bag and the pouch in here. So all you need to do is take this, dunk it in your cup, and let it steep. So the reason why I've done it this way and put it into a tea bag is because when you put this into your Keurig, there isn't enough water that passes through the Keurig in order to make a good cup of tea. I find that when I did use a Keurig, I would have to run it on an 8-ounce and then again on a 10-ounce before I could get a really good cup of tea. Now that's 18 ounces of tea. So to get the strength, I have to produce 18 ounces of tea. That doesn't make any sense. I would rather take this, cut it, and put it into a tea cup and make a stronger tea. So that is my solution, and it's been working for me for the last little while. I enjoy it. If you guys give it a try, I hope to hear your comments below if it works out for you. If you guys have another idea of how to cut this or how to use this without using a Keurig, I would be really interested in hearing it. Again, please place your comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.